we're here in a luxury tree house called the Courtyard House. As you can see, there's a gigantic tree at the center of the home. This home was featured in Canadian Interiors magazine. It's 4+1 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It is a snowy day, but you can really just feel the nature and the Zen vibe in the whole space. I'm gonna give you a guided tour and then we're gonna do a full walkthrough of the whole home. So stay tuned to check the whole space out. So welcome to the Courtyard House. It's very inviting and very cozy. You're gonna love this tour. Okay, so first thing when you walk into the home, the obvious best feature is this gigantic 11-foot tree right in the center courtyard. And the tree actually extends up to the second floor. So you can see just all of the sunlight comes through the center. You have this tree that's helping cleanse the air for the home. Ooh, we should get a shot like that. So this is another one of my favorite features of the home, the floating staircase with the wood encasing the whole thing. It reminds me of a tree house. There is a tree in the house, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this house the tree house nickname. This is my favorite little spot in this room because it just kind of combines the spaces. Another thing I really love about the staging and the presentation of this home is they've used a local Toronto artist for much of the art, which I think adds a really lovely layer of texture to the way the home is presented. So this is one of the most incredible parts of the space, I think, is that the tree fully grows into the second story. It really is an indoor garden. I do want to talk about this. So we're in the primary suite walk-in closet now, and I really just wanted to highlight this pendant lamp here. I personally love a pop of color. I think it adds a touch of playfulness to a space, especially a space that's so neutral. So this red is just super vibrant and it's really fun. Thanks so much for following along. Those were some of my favorite spaces in this whole home. I'm gonna now show you a wide angle tour of the whole space so you can get a sense of it from your own perspective. So keep watching for that and see you next time.